ऑल्सो अभी हमने देखा, हमें पता लगा अपने सूत्रों से आप पोलैंड गए थे, शूटिंग चल रही है फुल ऑन। थोड़ा सा हमें एक्सक्लूसिव्स दे दीजिए, एस वी सॉ एसआर की एंड सुहाना की पिक्चर्स एंड व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, क्या व्हाट कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट, थोड़ा बहुत
या
कैन यू टेल?
मैंने कुछ ऐसे इंस्टाग्राम पे डाल दिया था, देन आई सॉ कि वो हर जगह आ रहा था कि शायद मैं पोलैंड में हूँ शूटिंग की शूटिंग के लिए।
हाँ,
आई कांट से मच बट यू नो सिद्धार्थ एंड ममता आनंद फॉर मी, मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, they're like my guardian angels, you know.
या
They pulled me out of like independent film and obscurity and gave me this big masala film like Fighter. तो कहता हूँ हमेशा कि आप मुझे बोलोगे यार लेट जाओ तो मैं लेट जाऊंगा, you know, whatever you need for you for the rest of my life, that is, I'm very 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 loyal to them. तो एक रोल था, मैं उनका फोन आया, मैंने कुछ सवाल जवाब नहीं किए, मैं चला गया उधर शूट करने के लिए। एंड आई यू नो I have this feeling that it's going to be a very iconic special movie. That's just
super,
my
we're really looking forward.
yeah, I think the world is.
Hopes are already high.
Yeah, I know the expectation is quite high, and
Yeah.
the expectations are high, and of course it would be Shahrukh Khan साहब की पिक्चर है, और it's like it's not only Shahrukh Khan की फिल्म है, उनकी फिल्म है at the top of his career, you know, and he's only had peaks, but this is
Yeah.
his biggest peak, you know. So the expectations are high, but you know Sid is such a, you know, sorted director that वो सिद्धार्थ आनंद कर लेगा यार वो। I have all the hopes and you know aspirations from him.
Yeah. So, talking about your upcoming project, so I can see a debut, a South debut. So, how did you land into this? We want to know that, and
Uh,
that too alongside Yash.
yeah. Again, thank you to Siddharth and Mamta Anand, the director of Toxic, Geetu Mohandas, who has been one of my favorite directors to work with. She saw Fighter, और Fighter के बाद मुझे फोन आ गया, और मैं पहुंच गया टॉक्सिक के सेट पे। तो yeah, and it was kind of serendipitous because मैं यश का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ, लाइक उनका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ पहले से। इट्स नॉट लाइक केजीएफ के बाद, यू नो, लाइक आई हैड सीन गूगली एंड आई हैड सीन Mr. and Mrs. Ramcharan. Like I'd seen a couple of his movies, and I just thought he was there was something special about him, you know. And then KGF, of
Yeah.
course, you know, the kind of guts he had to make a film like that, and then it goes pan India. तो बट उनके साथ काम करने के बाद तो मैं ऐसे प्रभावित हुआ उनसे, that there are things that I've taken, very insecure people, you know, we're searching around कि कौन सा डायरेक्टर क्या बना रहा है, उनको मैसेज करो, वो प्रोड्यूसर मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहा है, वहां जाओ इधर जाओ,
Mm,
बिकॉज
right.
आप किसी के मोहताज हो, right? You're at the behest of a good script, a good director, a good role, a powerful
Mm.
producer. But when I look at him, I'm like, he doesn't need any of those things. He's a one man industry. And that is so cool and that is so refreshing that it makes me reflect and think ki, I should have that attitude for my own career as well.
That's so lovely to know. Also, who's been your favorite from the South apart from Yash?
Rajni sir.
Like the next collaboration could happen with him.
Oh man, that'd be great. If I could really have it my way, then it would have Bachchan Saab also in it.
Super. So, how did you manage with the language? The conversation. Like, did you learn the language, or how did it go?
Yeah, no, we had some really good coaches, JD sir and Lakshmi ma'am. I mean,
Yeah.
they're really, really, really good coaches who were very well versed in Hindi and Kannada, understand Kannada really well. और मुझे बहुत मजा आता है
Yeah.
यार, accents and languages. I really enjoy. I enjoyed learning an accent. I mean, I've done it my whole career, whether that's Gurgaon or Lal Rang or Flesh, the show that Siddharth Anand
Yeah.
produced for Eros Now. I've always tried to work on accents and try a different spin on things. I feel like I have a natural affinity for it and a flair for it. But मैं पागलों की तरह कोशिश करता हूँ. It's not like just easy peasy. But I really worked on
Yeah.
those over and over and over and over and over. And my wife is a Kannadiga and her family's from Bangalore, so I didn't want to disappoint them also. And you know,
That's a
besides,
Sone Pe Suhaga.
yeah, absolutely. But मैंने
Yeah.
कभी गलत नहीं किया उनके साथ, because मैं embarrassed होता था कि अगर मैंने कुछ गलत उनके सामने कह दिया तो फिर I would feel very embarrassed about it. So I never shared, I never practiced in front of
Yeah.
them. but I hope I've done well enough that they give me passing marks.